Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to modify or edit your account on the Corsica Ferries application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the My Account button down below, which is the third option. After that, click on Modify My Account at the top of the screen below your username. Here you can see your information. You can change your name first of all in the first box, then your first name, then you can set your phone number. Here you can modify your password, and when you are done, click on the Update button down below in order to save all the new information that you have added to your account, so it will be updated automatically. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.